Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty and recently a lot of unboxing videos. So today I'll be unboxing the gold and the platinum Gerard Cosmetics GC Love boxes, and I'm really excited to see what's inside them because I absolutely love Gerard Cosmetics. However, most of my Gerard Cosmetics stuff is the Hydra Matte liquid lipsticks and the Slay All Day setting sprays, which I have almost a full collection of the minis. I do want to try the coconut one because I absolutely love the smell of coconut. However, I don't have that one yet, so maybe it's in one of these boxes. So let's get on with it. Let's start with the gold box, which is a small one, and see what is inside there. So when you open it, it looks like this. There is a card telling you the different tiers. Hi beauty. In honor of our 5-year anniversary, we wanted to spoil you with something we know you have been wanting. These limited edition GC Love boxes. Inside these bad boys, you will discover your gift packed with an array of GC Slay essentials. We hope this box brings you joy and happiness and shows you how much we love you. Keep slaying, Jen. The gold box is $39 with a $110 minimum value. The platinum box is $69 with $195 minimum value. And the diamond box is $149 with $425 minimum value. Okay, so, there's actually quite a bit in this box. So the first thing I've pulled out is the lip pencil in the shade Ecstasy, which is awesome because Ecstasy was actually one of the first Hydra Matte liquid lipsticks of theirs that I ever bought. Absolutely gorgeous color. Then there is the Eternal eyeliner. I haven't tried their eyeliner before. Please excuse these swatches. They're from liquid eyeliners that I got yesterday. So yeah. Can't wait to try that. I always love a good black liquid eyeliner, and I haven't used bottled eyeliners since, you know, when I was like a teenager, late teens. So that'll be interesting to see how that goes. Next up we have a lipstick in the shade Peachy Keen. Oh, such nice packaging. I don't usually use bullet lipsticks. It's actually quite a nice colour, so I might use it or I might gift it to someone, or I don't know. But it is a very pretty colour and yeah, nice neutral prettiness. Next up, ooh yeah, we have a Hydra Matte in the shade Aphrodite. Oh, this is gorgeous. Ooh. I'm going to be doing swatches of the Hydra Mattes on the back of my hand because with my sore throat at the moment, I don't want to risk contaminating the product. However, if there is more than one Hydra Matte in these boxes, that's not a duplicate. I will do a little lip swatch video over on my Instagram, which is tashxglam. So you can find the link down below to my Instagram. And yeah, if there's only like one or two, then I'll just do some photos like I usually do. Okay, next. This is a Supreme lip cream in the shade Wild Berry Tart. Oh, that actually is really pretty. Ooh, Metal Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Where's Ken? I'm gonna guess this is a really hot sort of pink. And Barbie-like, it's from the name Ken. Barbie and Ken. Yep. Ooh, that is pretty. It's a nice metallic hot pink. Ah, we have a Slay All Day spray. One of my favorite products. And it is in lemongrass. I don't know if I've got the lemongrass one, actually. I know I've got a massive bunch of them. What's it smell like? That is nice. Very nice. So the last product in this box is a Gerard Cosmetics pop socket. I don't usually use pop sockets because I like my case. crazy cat lady. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's box 1 down. So let's open up the platinum box and see what's in there. So first up we have a lip pencil in the shade Bel Air. Ooh, I like this colour. Quite a pretty colour. We have a lipstick in the shade Fairy Godmother. So that's a gorgeous pink. Then we have a Supreme lip cream in the shade Electric Rose. I'd call this like a fuchsia sort of colour. It's a nice shade. Next we have a Colour Your Smile lip gloss. Oh wow. This is bright orange and it has a little light in it. I don't know if you can see with my beauty lights on. There we go. And it's a little mirror there. So let's just give this a little swatch too. Okay, so it's a bright orange, but it'll look gorgeous over the top of some liquid lipsticks that I own. Always gives you a little bit more plump when you gloss. Especially for those small lip girls. Highly suggest gloss. Next we have another Hydra Matte in the shade Serenity. This one right here, I do like it. We have another Eternal eyeliner. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one. Whether I will put it in a giveaway or give it to one of my friends or keep it as a backup. I will keep this one out and we'll see what happens. Next up we have another Supreme lip cream in the shade Maneater. Yeah, that's one of my favourite colours of lipstick. It's a nice red winey colour. I always love a good red lipstick. Next item is a Metal Matte lipstick in the shade Vegas, which looks like this. The bottom one here. I like it. Don't know if I'll use it, but I like it. Next we have another Hydra Matte in the shade Strawberry Fields.
Strawberry Fields forever.
Ooh, that is really nice. This one right here. That is a gorgeous shade and I'll definitely be using it. Next we have another lip pencil in the shade Peachy Keen.
Did I get a Peachy Keen lip pencil in the other one? I can't remember. Was that the Hydra Matte or lipstick? No idea, but I've always said Peachy Keen before. But
this is gorgeous. The second last item in this box is a Gerard Cosmetics pop socket, and because I already had one before and I tend to collect them even though I don't use them, I will be putting this in my giveaway box here. And the giveaway will be going live on my Instagram sometime this week or next week. So keep an eye out. If you're following me on Instagram, you'll see it, hopefully. There's a teeth whitening kit in there. There's sponges, Gerard Cosmetics pop socket now, sunglasses, Marc Jacobs mascara. So the very last item is the Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus Illumination Facial Cream. It's like a rose gold type colour, so don't know if it will work for me because I'm fairly pale. So that is everything from the GC Love boxes, from the gold and the platinum. I know some people are probably getting different things from each other, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so I think they're still available, so if you're interested in them, head on over to their website, which is gerardcosmetics.com. There'll be a link down below, and pick yourself up some, or 1 or 2 or 3, if they still have them available, but I'm pretty sure they did. Okay, so thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which is another unboxing, which hopefully I'll start filming tomorrow. So for now, bye.